Hello. Yeah, 5 hours, Rahul. It's maddening. I'm just recovering. I wanted to go 5 more hours, but वो बैटरी मेरा लो हो गया यार 2% ही रहा तो I couldn't do anything much. So no, Music Bazaar. I was trying to. They were supposed to. Mohit has been very kind. They were supposed to interview me today, but somehow because of yesterday my strikes on Instagram, I cannot join their live chat. But somehow I managed to go live myself. So I've requested them to join my chat. So we'll figure this out now. So we are waiting for Mohit from Music Bazaar to conduct this lovely chat session. Welcome all of you. Hello. Yeah, Paroma, I'm blaming you. It was supposed to be a sound check last night. It was supposed to be a sound check for like 5 minutes or maybe 10. And it lasted 5 hours. Pooh is right here. There's Pooh. Sijo, hello. Justin, Yanu, Shiva, hello. So guys, as you know, म्यूजिक पर रिक्वेस्टेड है. किधर है भाई? मेरे को दिखाई नहीं दे रहा है. मेरे को तो एक रिक्वेस्ट भी नहीं आ रहा है. एक मिनट देखने दो मुझे फिर से. यस, आ गया. ऑलराइट, लेट्स होप दिस वर्क्स. कनेक्टिंग.
So sorry, I just can't believe this. That I was supposed to bring you live to my session and I am joining the session.
हो गया. आप मेरा वाले थे और मैं आपका इंटरव्यू लेने वाला हूँ.
You know, this is like the biggest thing that has ever happened to me. That DJ Akhtar is going to be interviewing me. क्या बात है?
Luckily, it struck me कि let me try going live, because what happened is, so वैसे भी those of you just tuned in, a very good evening. So this is the lovely Mohit. He is supposed to be the host, and I was supposed to go on our page, record label company. I was supposed to go on their page, but unfortunately last night I was playing for 5 hours non-stop, and Instagram warned me that you're overdoing it. Stop it, please. And now I'm paying the price for it.
So because Instagram has got a lot of content creators, right? Instagram wants people to join their live sessions as well, but you didn't allow anyone to do that.
No, I was just asking the people. It was like how you have that money heist. It was like a kidnapping. So it was, and it became into a 1 hour set. Then it became into a 2 hour set. Then 3 hours, 4 hours, and then 5 घंटे कहाँ चले गए पता ही नहीं चला. And the only thing,
असली वाला जो साउंड चेक होता है, जो आपके असली वाले इवेंट्स पे साउंड चेक होता है, वो 5 मिनट से ज्यादा नहीं चलता. ये 5 घंटे चला लिया आपने.
तो इसके लिए मैं सोच रहा था, मैं because I was trying to get on your Music Bazaar, I was sending the request, it was just throwing me off. Sorry, request denied.
Request denied, and I was here thinking when you said that the request is denied, मतलब मैं होता कौन हूँ request deny करने वाला? हमने तो मिन्नतें करके भाई को मंगाया है यहाँ पे.
ये हो गया. So guys,
भाई
Mohit is the host. I am just the guest today. Mohit is going to do all the talking. I am going to do the listening, and probably answer.
Oh yes, ladies and gentlemen, let's clear the air here. I am the host. I'm going to be asking him questions, and I'm not the guest here, not at all. He's the guest at his own channel. Yes, at his own channel.
All these guys have logged in now. All these guys, they instigated me yesterday. Gail, Rego Raymond, Paroma, all of them, they said, bajao, play more. And you know what has happened?
I was one of them.
Interviewed on the Music Bazaar page, and Instagram has thrown me off. They've cut me off, you know. And now I have to go live on my own page for my own interview.
But then that's what जुगाड़ is all about. वही तो जुगाड़ हम हमेशा से किए हैं.
जी, absolutely. वही तो कुछ ना कुछ तो आइडिया निकालना ही पड़ेगा.
तो भाई मुझे जरा बताओ, हमेशा से आपका ऐसा ही रहा है, यू डोंट स्लीप एट नाइट एट ऑल, यू कीप प्लेइंग फॉर आवर्स एंड आवर्स, be it a wedding or a club gig, and then the next morning again you are off to the airport, flying to another destination. मेरे को ये बताओ, सोते कब हुआ, सोते कब?
See, from the time the lockdown has started, I've been trying to get some sleep. So, mil raha hai. In the beginning, I thought, "Arey, wow, this is a luxury. This is a luxury which I couldn't afford." I said, the first couple of days was amazing. मुझे बहुत मजा आया. 2 दिन सोया, 3 दिन सोया. But now it's back to the same routine. और मेरे दोस्त भी है ऐसे, एक वो टकला है क्लेमेंट, वो दिन भर साथ मेरे को बच्चों वाली गेम खिलवाता है यार, वो लूडो वूडो मेरे को खिलवाता, बोलता है प्ले 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 प्ले, तो ये लूडो लूडो खेल खेल के ऐसा हो जाता है. भाटिया जी, गुड मॉर्निंग.
कौन जीतता है आपके और क्लेमेंट भाई में, लूडो में कौन जीतता है?
मैं ही जीतता हूँ हमेशा.
पक्की बात है. मैं वैसे देख नहीं पा रहा हूँ क्लेमेंट भाई को, अभी तक शायद आए नहीं हो.
जो इंसान साफ रहेगा दिल का हमेशा जीतेगा.
ये बात तो बराबर है, ये बात तो है. वेल बट भाई, यू नो दैट यू आर कॉल्ड द सलमान खान ऑफ आवर इंडस्ट्री. Always entertaining, always young and dashing, fully energetic. But you know what Salman Khan is doing these days, lockdown में? वो अपने फार्म हाउस में है and he's got his Jacqueline over there. आपकी Jacqueline नजर नहीं आ रही कहीं.
घोड़े वोड़े है, 2-3 घोड़ियां भी है. मतलब मेरे पास तो कुछ नहीं, मेरे पास ये है, देखो मेरे पास ये है.
That's it, Jacqueline. That's it, Jacqueline.
ऐसे हाल मैंने कर दिए, मैं क्या बोलूं बेचारे, मुझे दया आती है मुझे इस पे.
ऐसा क्या कर रहे हो पू के साथ?
भी इस पे निकलता है, प्यार भी इसी पे निकलता है.
भाई परोमा तो जा रही है, परोमा तो जा रही है. आप उनसे बात नहीं कर रहे ना ज्यादा, इसके लिए शी इज लेफ्ट ऑलरेडी.
अच्छा, नहीं नहीं, शी वोंट लीव लाइक दैट. वो इधर ही है.
कोई बात नहीं. वेल भाई मुझे एक बात बताओ जरा, मुझे एक्चुअली पूछना था आपसे ये इस बारे में, बट देन व्हेनेवर वी मीट एट एनी ऑफ आवर गिग्स, तो बस दूर से सलाम दुआ होती है, फिर आपसे बात हो नहीं पाती. You played for 3 days at Priyanka Chopra Nick Jonas wedding. I felt
Yes.
really sad. I felt really sad. मतलब ऐसे एक हाथ कंसोल पे है ना, दूसरा
हाँ.
हाथ ऐसे चन्ना मेरे आप ही गा रहे होंगे कि हमारे देश की खूबसूरती को आप विदा करें.
हाँ, दूसरा हाथ ऊपर था तो ठीक है, फिर ठीक.
No, but then tell me, how is it? मतलब ठीक है, पैसा वैसा कमाना अपनी जगह पे कि एक हाथ से नोट गिनते जा रहे हैं कि बहुत सारे पेमेंट आई जा रही है, आई जा रही है, आई जा रही है. बट देन दूसरे हाथ से आंसू भी पोंछ रहे हैं कि प्रियंका चोपड़ा हमारे देश से जा रही है, वो भी एक छोटे से बच्चे के लिए. तो
नहीं, पर बहुत ही अच्छा, मुझे तो बहुत, बिकॉज वो बहुत यूनिक वेडिंग था. एंड आई वाज वेरी लकी दैट आई गॉट द अपॉर्चुनिटी टू परफॉर्म एट निक जोनस एंड प्रियंका चोपड़ा वेडिंग. And I was like there for all the functions for all the days. तो वो भी मुझे थोड़ा shocking लगा, because they had 2 types of wedding. एक the Hindu function, which is the Priyanka's side, and one they had in the Western way. So even in the Western way, I was only playing all the retro music, classics, and there also we went on till early morning. There also there was a nice 11-hour set which I did.
11 hours.
हाँ, non-stop, मजा आ गया.
But then by 11 hours, okay, see, your energy is next level. You can play for 11 hours. That's completely all right. I'm not talking about your energy at all. But then if I am asked to play for 11 hours, I'll start thinking कि मुझे बजाना क्या है? इतना सारा बजाऊंगा क्या? क्या बजाया भाई 11 घंटे? क्या बजाने का इतना सारा?
एक बॉलीवुड गाना भी नहीं बजाया.
क्या बात कर रहे हैं? You are known for Bollywood in India and you are not playing a single Bollywood song.
It was the Nick Jonas's side का function, so they wanted retro English, retro and that kind of disco, that kind of vibe. So बहुत मजा आया. It was superb. In fact, later his brother told me you should come to New York. और मतलब दारू पी के, अरे you are too good, I'm gonna bring you to New York, brother. मैं बोला हाँ ठीक है भाई, बुला ले.
क्या बात है. मतलब उसकी खुद की शादी हो गई है उनके भाई की, जो बुला रहा है न्यूयॉर्क.
उन्होंने अभी किसी को तो पटाई है, मुझे पता नहीं. आई एम नॉट वेरी अवेयर ऑफ वर्ल्ड न्यूज. भाटिया जी, थैंक यू.
काफी सारे लोग आ चुके हैं यहाँ पे, काफी सारे, and we've been actually ignoring a lot of comments here. Okay, Rohit Mamu says I'm glad I have this account now. All right, okay. वेल भाई मुझे एक बात बताओ जरा कि आई स्टे होम फॉर अबाउट 7 to 8 days in a month क्योंकि the rest of the days I'm traveling, I'm doing a gig, meetings, parties, आप ही की पार्टीज पे आते हैं जब हम. But I don't think you stay home for more than 1 or 2 days in a month. तो आपके लिए घर में ऐसा लॉकडाउन होना, हाउ इज इट?
Boss, I'm telling you, I'm kidding you not. I, it's so torturesome for me because I think last 15 years or 18 years, I've not been 3 days in a city, non-stop. Forget home. I've not been there 3 days non-stop in a city. And now suddenly this 2 months over here, I'm going completely nuts. It's like, it's very, very, I'm trying to keep my calm, but because I'm a very calm and composed and a very jovial and a funny guy, so I managed to do that. और मैं हंसता भी हूँ और लोगों पे हंसाता हूँ. और अभी ये टकला ज्वाइन कर लिया, सबकी वाट
वेलकम 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 क्लेमेंट भाई, वेलकम. आप ही का इंतजार था, बस आप ही का इंतजार था. वेल भाई हमारा ऐसा ना, हम झाड़ू पोछा बर्तन करते हैं, हमारा दिन निकल जाते हैं.
हाँ,
आपका दिन कैसे निकलता है?
आप एक ही बार करते हो ना, मैं दो दो बार करता हूँ. झाड़ू पोछा बर्तन सब करता हूँ, दो दो बार
अरे
करता हूँ.
छोड़ो भाई, ये सब
I'm
सच्चाई बात.
only missing Clement because if he was there, at least he would have done all the jhadu, pocha, kartan, massage, everything he would have done for me. Kapda, vapda, istri. He's my official Iron Man. But what?
But I have always seen you taking his case, but I have never seen him taking your case. मतलब उल्टा वाला सीन तो होता ही नहीं.
There are more than 200 people here, and you're the only person who thinks that way. It's always him doing all this अश्लील बातें, all this गंदी वंदी बातें, कुछ भी बोलते रहता है वो. मैं सिर्फ बर्दाश्त करता हूँ और कुछ नहीं करता हूँ. Pratibha Tiwari,
So
hello.
all the 200 people watching this, please tell us in the comments जो अख्तर भाई बोल रहे हैं वो सच है या नहीं. मेरे हिसाब से क्लेमेंट भाई इनका कभी भी केस नहीं लेते. वो बहुत बहुत सीधा साधा आदमी लगता है मुझे क्लेमेंट, बहुत सीधा साधा.
मैं सबको हाय बोल रहा हूँ. डीजे शिवा, डीजे हानी, प्रतिभा तिवारी, एवरीबडी हेलो. But I'm probably doing the same things that you guys are doing. Yeah, just a little bit of thoda bahut cleaning, and then all day long video calls with our friends and all, something like that. Nothing. कुछ exciting नहीं है जिंदगी में. ये देखो, ये लोग सब there is 100%.
आगे बताने. क्लेमेंट भाई ने बताया है कि अख्तर काम वाली भाई इज फ्रॉम यूक्रेन, सैलरी 75,000 पर डे. ये बात तो सच लग रही है, ये बात तो सच लग रही है.
वो पहले तो
क्योंकि
because he's in Bangalore, and he's a friend, he's in Bangalore. पहले बोलता था the minute the flights open up, you take the first flight and come here, bro, we'll be together, we'll jam together, we'll play, we'll have this, we'll have so much. Bro, I'm such a good cook. I make Mangalore chicken, I make this, I make neer dosa, I make biryani. अभी फ्लाइट खुली, मैं बोला अरे no, don't come now don't be in a hurry.
Oh my god. Well, Sushant says check Clement का इंस्टा स्टोरीज. जरूर. क्लेमेंट भाई को खुद को एकदम शॉक लग रहा है कि जब मैंने उनको सीधा बोला सॉरी माफ करना जो हमने आपको सीधा समझा. सॉरी. मुझे ना ये आपसे पूछना है कि अब इतना जो आपकी एंटरटेनिंग स्टोरीज हो या फिर वीडियो कॉल्स हो, सारे के सारे ऑल योर वीडियोस, यू बीइंग अप ऑन स्टेज इज वेल एंटरटेनिंग ऑल द टाइम, हैव यू एवर थॉट ऑफ जॉइनिंग टिकटॉक भाई?
अरे नहीं यार, why I'm little bit scared because in the TikTok is mainly for all this nibba nibbis यार, and I'm seeing those ऐसा करते हैं, देखो ऐसा करते हैं, ये ऐसा करते हैं, फिर ऐसा करेंगे ना, वो जाता है वो. I'm a manly guy.
फॉलो बड़ा कर रहे हो आप टिकटॉकर्स को, फॉलो तो बहुत अच्छे से किया है, ये सब बड़ा अच्छे से पता है आपको.
हाँ, मैं वही बोल रहा हूँ. ये मैं ऐसे if I'll do this and then I become a girl, Clement is going to take the first.
नहीं नहीं, ऑब्वियसली नॉट दैट वे, ऑब्वियसली नॉट दैट वे। नहीं मतलब ऐसा हो सकता है ना कि आप कुछ कर रहे हैं, आपने ऐसे हाथ रखा, आपने हाथ हटाया, सीधा से क्लेमेंट प्रकट हुए, ऐसा कुछ आइडिया?
हाँ, या ऐसा भी हो सकता है मैं ऐसे करूंगा और ये ऐसे करूंगा, फिर क्लेमेंट का चेहरा आ जाएगा, लोग डर
That's
जाएंगे,
what, exactly that's what I mean to say.
लोग डर जाएंगे, बैन हो जाएगा, आई कांट डू what goes on actually over there. I went on that TikTok thing twice. I don't understand. So there'll be three. I think what is going on over there is spot the ugly face contest is going on, and spot whose hair is worse. My hair is pink, yours is yellow, mine is dark yellow, and one is blonde. And they'll be walking somewhere. One guy will slap someone, the other guy will slap someone, this guy will slap him. They're exchanging, and they're getting some kick out of it, which nobody knows for no goddamn reason what the hell they're doing over there.
Have you ever seen the Joker on TikTok? The
No.
Indian Sapri version of the Joker.
No.
He'll come, he'll talk to you, and then he'll do this is something that he'll do, and you'll get shit scared of him. ये करने से कोई डर कैसे सकता है? कोई डर कैसे सकता है? क्लेमेंट भाई ने कुछ बोला है, क्लेमेंट भाई ने कुछ बोला है आपके लिए कि you love only ठोक ठोक. Oh God, look at this. Sushant is saying Garibo ka Joker. He has
Just
a lifetime potty problem, the Indian Joker. By all your people, you know, they are definitely following a lot of TikTokers, I'm telling you. You didn't know about this Indian Joker, but these guys definitely know. Look at Justin Yanu. उसको अच्छे से पता है कि इंडियन जोकर क्या कर रहा है.
अब वो है, वो मेरे ख्याल से he is going to be the next TikToker in our group.
नहीं भाई प्लीज उसको बताओ चेंबूर में ये सब नहीं चलता है. चेंबूर में नहीं रहने देते टिकटॉकर लोग को. ये सब थोड़ा उस तरफ का है, अपने यहाँ का नहीं है. अपने यहाँ नहीं चलता. नहीं भाई जस्टिन भाई, अपने यहाँ पे नहीं. टिकटॉक इज फॉर अमेच्योर्स. वेल डेफिनेटली क्लेमेंट भाई, डेफिनेटली. अपने लिए नहीं, अपने लिए ओनली यूट्यूब, ओनली यूट्यूब. वेल मुझे एक बात बताओ अख्तर भाई, अंदाजे से आज तक how many War of the DJs would you have judged?
First of all, I don't believe in war. I believe in pyar. So whenever there is war of the DJs, also I tell them pyar se raho, and each and every one of you is a winner. Mere dil mein. So I don't believe in all that. I believe in uniting people, not dividing. But yes, I've judged a lot of competitions. I don't know, maybe a few hundred of them. I'm not very sure. इतना लंबा सफर है तो थोड़ा तो कुछ तो हुआ रहेगा. Because I've been doing this for colleges, lots of colleges में ये है. फिर टाइम्स म्यूजिक जो लेबल था, तो उन्होंने भी 4 साल या 7 साल आई थिंक दे यूज्ड टू ऑर्गेनाइज. सो आई वाज द रीजनल जज एज वेल एज द नेशनल जज फॉर दैट आल्सो. तो या इट वाज गुड. और ये सफर में बहुत सारा टैलेंट देखने मिला है. लॉट ऑफ पीपल आई गॉट टू मीट, एवरीबॉडी बिकेम फ्रेंड्स, एंड आई रियली enjoyed this entire journey very well.
By any chance, do you remember joining DJ Suketu for a War of the DJs at Chembur Vivekanand College back in 2005?
No man, I have no idea. I don't have any memory of it. I'm so sorry.
Obviously, it's 15 years ago.
But I was
That
there.
is the time that I first saw you.
Oh really? Okay.
सोचो भाई, आप मुझे जितना इतना सा भी जानते हो, आई वॉज अ किड बैक देन. 18 का भी नहीं, कॉलेज में भी नहीं. आई वॉजेंट इवन इन दैट कॉलेज. आई वॉजेंट इवन ऑफ द कॉलेज वाला एज. माई सिस्टर वॉज इन दैट कॉलेज. आई केम देयर जस्ट टू सी यू ऑल, क्योंकि मुझे जब पता चला कि यू पीपल आर कमिंग देयर, बैक इन दोस डेज इट वॉज वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू स्पॉट यू ऑल, बिकॉज हमने आप लोगों का नाम सिर्फ टीवी में देखा ना, टीवी में, न्यूज़पेपर में. To be very honest, by these days it's very easy because we can simply come and we can be a part of your gig. अगर guest list में नहीं भी है तो पैसे देके आ जाएंगे. और but then back in those days हमको अलाउड ही नहीं था ऐसी पार्टी वार्टी में भी जाना. सुकेतु भाई को पूछा कि आप गाना बजाएंगे थोड़ा थोड़ा. ऑब्वियसली बजाएंगे तो नहीं, बिकॉज उस बात की पेमेंट नहीं मिली थी. बट जब बजाया, लेट द म्यूजिक प्ले,
हाँ
उन्होंने प्रिंसिपल की जो वो दरवाजे का छोटा सा खिड़की होता है,
हाँ
टूट गया वो, टूट गया. And for that reason, for the next 5 years, War of the DJs was not allowed in our
अच्छा.
college. ये आप लोगों की वजह से. हाँ जी, आप लोगों की वजह से हमारे कॉलेज में War of the DJs बैन हुए.
Responsible for it. Oh my God. Okay, ठीक है यार. Sorry.
But then, as I said, उस टाइम पे मैं कॉलेज में नहीं था, मैं तो बच्चा था. But then when I came back, जब मैंने कॉलेज ज्वाइन किया, उसके बाद I introduced all of the DJs back again, and the first one to join us was DJ Notorious
Oh
as
wow.
a judge.
Fantastic.
Well, so
Really.
now that I have taken DJ Notorious's name, I want to play a quick round of rapid fire with you.
Okay.
जिसमें मैं जिस भी DJ का नाम लूंगा,
हाँ.
you have to describe him in one word, the first word that comes into your mind.
सबके लिए प्यार ही प्यार है मेरे दिल में और कुछ नहीं है.
अरे वो मेरे को पता है, वो मेरे को अच्छे से पता है. सबके लिए प्यार है, सबके लिए प्यार है. लेकिन क्लेमेंट भाई पूछ रहा था आपके कितने बच्चे कॉलेज में हैं?
Pratibha, I'm not going to answer you because I know what your thing. Your questions are going to be, very that truth and dare type of questions, and they're going to be very, very. So this is a family show. I'm going to take your questions or requests.
फैमिली शो, फैमिली सर, ऐसे ही तो फैमिली बनती है ना सर, ऐसे ही तो फैमिली बनती है.
You don't know
हाँ.
all these. They're next level guys. All of them. All of them are very well. They are behaved because they are.
Well, Pratibari, we will definitely be taking questions. Don't worry. Just give me some time. हम लोग ले रहे हैं, हम ले रहे हैं questions. Definitely ले रहे हैं. ऐसे कैसे छोड़ देंगे? Okay. अख्तर भाई, are you ready? Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Yeah. All set? Good to go? You don't have time. You don't have time at all. मैंने नाम लिया and the first word that comes into your mind, सीधा बोल दो. Okay. Let's start with DJ Akil.
Meri Jaan. I love him.
Akbar Sami.
मेरा भाई.
DJ Shiva.
मेरा दोस्त. And a superb DJ. A very, very, very very talented DJ. I love this guy. And I love his energy also. Next level energy.
Oh, yes, definitely. His energy is contagious, I must say. Okay.
I play Shiva's mixes also. Although he stopped sending me from the past 6 months or maybe 8 months or 1 year. But I play all his mixes also.
ये इस बात पे शिवा भाई को कुछ तो सफाई देनी पड़ेगी. ये सनसनीखेज खुलासा हो चुका है. गलत है भाई, गलत है. ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए क्योंकि मेरे को तो मिक्सेस मिल रहे हैं भाई. ऑनेस्टली मेरे को तो मिल रहे हैं 6 महीने से, 8 महीने से, साल से. मेरे को सब मिल रहा है. अब जो अख्तर भाई को नहीं मिल रहा है तो वही सोच लो, सोच लो, सोच लो.
भाई ये गरीब डीजे लोग को सब भूल जाते हैं. ऐसा होता है.
Okay, back again. The next name that I'm taking is Justin Yanu.
Justin Yanu is like my small baby, my darling, and the apple of my eye.
Rohit Gidda.
Rohit Gidda is, I love him. I love this guy. Whatever he does with all his heart. And the way he's rocketed to success in such a short span of time, it's truly commendable. बहुत प्यारा इंसान है. मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है.
Hardik Vithalani, DJ Notorious.
DJ Notorious is, I love him because he keeps, मतलब कभी भी उसको कुछ भी होता है, he considers me to be like an elder brother. हमेशा he'll call me up. He's like, so and so is the thing. What should we do? What should I do? And I love the fact about it that he's very, very plain, blunt, honest with me. And we try and solve, all our problems together. And he's a very sincere guy. He doesn't drink alcohol. He only has Diet Coke. I love his dedication to his work. He's very, very sincere. So yeah, great, fantastic.
किसने बोला ये?
वो
Notorious is a मुनीम.
वो mathematics.
Okay. Next one. DJ Chetas.
DJ Chetas, I've not got the opportunity to meet him very often, but whenever we meet, we are very, very cordial. refers to me as Akhtar Bhai, and I like whatever he's doing. Dekho, the thing is, if something is working for you, and if it's taking you to success, then we should all learn or be inspired by it. So he did a lot of fuss. He did a lot of fuss. And like, he had a DJ Chetas app. Nobody thought a DJ should have his own app. So he thought about that. He's like a businessman. He's a visionary, and I admire him for that. He's a very, very, very good guy. He stays away from, we don't meet much, we don't socialize much, but we are good friends. अभी मैंने हाल ही में उनका शो देखा था. I commented ये वो, then he messaged me back. बहुत अच्छा लगा मुझे, बहुत अच्छा लगा.
Okay. ये लोगों को ना आपके लंबे एक्सप्लेनेशन से तकलीफ हो रही है.
हाँ
ठीक है.
हाँ.
तो ना अभी से सिर्फ one word. Okay. The first word that comes to your mind. See, we know, bhai, you love everyone. You love all of us. We all love you. ठीक है.
थोड़ा देना पड़ेगा. थोड़ा तो
अच्छा,
डिस्क्रिप्शन.
कोई बात. चलो कोई बात नहीं, आपकी मर्जी. Next up, DJ Lijo George.
Amazing producer, and super shy and very like introvert होता है ना, introvert.
Ah, okay. Praveen Nair.
अरे rocking, superb. I'm so dying. Yesterday only I spoke to him. I'm dying when I can go to Navi Mumbai and party with him. Superb guy, and a great
NYK.
good RJ also. और उसके बाद
NYK.
You are telling me the name of people whom I've very rarely, got an opportunity to meet. But NYK again, a superb, fantastic producer. He's one of them who can easily, his production, whatever I've heard of his, it can be compared internationally to anybody's production. It's really nice. Comes out as a very respectful person, very calm, composed. I love this guy too.
Okay. Next one.
All that, it's going to be all similar.
Next one. Okay. Sumaira.
Sumaira, very sweet girl. I met
Paroma.
her I keep talking to her. Paroma, very, very, very intelligent, fun to talk to. And kabhi kabhi we meet and we party also. So great. Lloyd and me, we go way back. हम लोग का मतलब बचपन का भी एक फोटो है. You're going to see that. You're going to die laughing. So, and he's super talented. Super talented. I mean, next level. Technically, on the decks, he's next level. Like he's way better than me also.
Prat Tiwari, you just took the name of the one I had next on my list. That is Suketu.
Oh, all hard for him. When you hear the name Suketu, it's only like respect, 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 respect. Nothing else, He is the sweetheart. He's so dedicated to his work, unbelievably dedicated. The most polite guy on earth. I don't think he's ever got angry. There are rumors that 15 years ago he said Sala to someone, but I don't think it's true. But a sweetheart, like I really nice guy. And he, he's so respectful. Till today, wherever he meets me, messages me, takes my call, he calls me Akhtar sir, Akhtar sir. Always like that. I really respect him a lot. Very sweet guy.
Now that Paroma is back again, can you please repeat her answer?
Paroma, I was just talking about you. I was just saying, shit, I missed DJ Paroma so much, this, that. And you left us over here only. And I said we should go out partying and this and that. Then you were not there, so I told Sumaira, I said Sumaira and Waggy and we all will go partying then.
Okay, next one. Lemon.
Who?
DJ Lemon.
Lemon. I had the opportunity to meet him quite a few times. We've hung out. Even in Dubai, we've hung out together. So for me, he's a wonderful person, sweet, really nice guy. आप रिस्पेक्ट दोगे तो आपको रिस्पेक्ट मिलेगा. इट्स ऑल अबाउट दैट. तो मेरे से सारे के साथ अच्छा हो, ऐसा है.
नेक्स्ट वन, डीजे वैगी.
I love him. Superb. I love this guy. He's a full-on party person, full-on fun guy to be with. But I get scared of him also. If he has a Jaeger bottle in his hand, you have to just run from there.
Okay.
He also is a fantastic producer, and I play all his songs, whatever he makes. He's been doing it from such a long time. I think he's very underrated. He needs to, he needs to be really out there, and I think we should all do something about that. So Waggy, I really respect him a lot. Great work over the years.
But for that, I'm sure you would agree with me on this that marketing plays a very important role these days, and it's not just about talent.
It does.
Yeah. So it may be his talent would be on the next level, I'm sure, but he wouldn't be marketing it that much.
He does. I think he does everything. हर एक इंसान का एक strategy रहता है. So everybody, we are nobody very experienced enough. So he knows what he's doing. But I'm sure he'll, no matter what, he's out there. Everybody knows him. There is no doubt about that. But I'm sure that he deserves much more than because of all the efforts. कोई गाना निकलता नहीं. There is a DJ Waggy mix out already. So he put so utna to we have to respect that.
Okay, I have a few names coming in here. DJ Shadow.
DJ Shadow is fun person to be with. We party a lot. I know him from Dubai days, even before he was a DJ. So from that time we know each other. Always a fun-loving guy. Whenever he's in India, also we try our best to catch up. So he also.
Akil Bhai is here. Akil Bhai just joined in, I guess. Akil Bhai, your answer for Akil Bhai all over again, please.
AB. We were just talking about you. LAX, Zindabad. So yeah.
All right.
So yeah.
And now.
It was DJ Akil's birthday day before yesterday. So belated wishes. Happy birthday, AB. We love you. Happy birthday, DJ Akil.
Oh my God! Akil Bhai, exactly 364 days ago, we were performing together in Bangalore. That was 24th of May.
Oh, very nice.
Okay. Next up, all these people have been waiting for this one now. The one and only, your favorite, DJ Clement D'Souza.
Next question, please.
You have to answer. You have to answer. I don't know anything. You have to answer. Please.
With him now, it is a love-hate relationship. I probably hate him as much as I love him. But then in the end, we are like chaddi buddies. So, I have to tolerate him. So I tolerate him.
How old is your friendship with Clement?
I have no clue. I've never given any importance to that.
No, I'm just asking. I mean, like, when you became a DJ, then you people became friends, or was it like before DJing?
I think it would be about 15 years or so. Not more than that.
DJ.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Okay. And last but not the least.
Alex.
Well, yes. Last but not the least, as I said, DJ Akhtar.
हाँ मैं गरीबों का DJ.
अरे छोड़ो. करोड़ों चार्ज करने वाले गरीबों के डीजे कैसे होते हैं?
Public demand. Whatever love I get, that much love I'm going to shower. Like yesterday, that exactly the same thing happened. My set was supposed to be like for 1 hour, and suddenly, because of all that love, all these guys are still here. They're still here. I don't know whether they slept also or no, but they're still here. And because of all their love, I just went on for 5 hours non-stop. So I'm all about that. Garibo wala DJ. Dil ka DJ.
What is this Lux thing? You need to tell all of us. What exactly is this Lux thing that Akil Bhaijan has been saying?
It's LAX. And it is only it's a secret between me and Akil. It's a very... Very kinky secret. Very kinky secret.
Kinky secret. Akil Akil Bhaijan is also saying no, 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 no. नहीं नहीं नहीं, वो भी नहीं चाहते कि आप इसके बारे में कुछ भी बोले.
Let me say that.
Okay, so now that we have been talking about all these DJs, तो भाई देखो ऐसा है कि अभी हमने तो अपने हाथ खड़े कर दिए. If anyone asks us के bro what is the scene post lockdown, कैसे मिलेंगे gigs, तो हमने तो बोल दिया भाई हम लोगों के एक ही है, सारे माई बाप, वो है डीजे अख्तर, वो ही देखेंगे जो भी करना है. So now you tell me भाई, क्या सोचा है आपने हम लोगों के रोजगार के बारे में? ये जो गरीब योजना स्कीम आप चलाते हैं हमेशा से, आपने हमारे बारे में क्या सोचा है?
अरे पहले मेरे बारे में कोई तो सोचो. Everybody, nobody is thinking about me. Everybody is thinking about everybody else. But my whole important initiation, which is the truth, is that right now, in the hour of need, so I started a thing that no DJ in Mumbai will go hungry. So I'm providing free groceries, which is dal, rice, atta, oil, salt, sugar, tea, poha, all that for a month for anybody who needs it. So right now my whole plan is to do that only, just to make sure that groceries go, because these are the artists, these are the musicians, these are the DJs whom we love, whom we know, and it's very important that food goes in their houses first. So right now my entire focus is on that. In fact, I can show you all that. All this ration is lying here only in bags.
Wow.
A lot of it is lying over here. So that's our need right now, to focus on people and their food, and make sure that no DJ goes hungry during this lockdown period. Post the lockdown period, of course, we are going to join hands together. All of us are going to come together, and we are going to figure out something. कुछ ना कुछ तो हम लोग करेंगे, and nobody is going to be left behind. We'll all take everybody, एक दूसरे का हाथ थाम के हम लोग आगे बढ़ेंगे, and I'm sure everything will be back to normal very soon, and I'm sure everybody will be, they'll carry on with their lives in a good way, in a positive way very soon. But till then, stay, at home and be safe with your families. That's my request to all of you.
But well, yes, bhai, we've been staying home, we've been staying safe. But the only thing,
Ivan is
as you just, so yes, all of us will be coming together, we'll be partying together. But then again, when it comes to the business point of view, so these clubs and all DJs as well make money only with the venues filling up to its capacity.
right.
But then now, when the social distancing thing is coming up,
Yeah.
how will we be able to generate revenue for all of us together?
I guess the only thing that I see and perceive at this moment is that once the vaccine comes out, okay, then everything gets back to normal. Then you can, crowd your clubs, and you can have 1,000 people there in your clubs. And until then, there are going to be reforms, there are going to be changes, there are going to be things that we may have to accept. There are going to be things like maybe a club which accommodates 400, 500 people will be accommodating only 80 people. Maybe they'll have tables and this and that. So, of course, the revenue is less, which means that somewhere down the line, us DJs also going to have to contribute and, try and make this work between the club owners and management and the artists. We are going to have to help them as much as possible, and also take to other fields. Like now, the live streaming thing is going on, and very soon the live stream paid, and people are going to approach, because the small businesses, MSEs, they are all starting. So the sponsorship is going to come in, and people are going to start sponsoring these online gigs also. So hopefully, are going to make money. DJ Akil will make lots of money for sure. He's going to be great.
He has always made a lot of money. He doesn't make money, he makes money.
मैं गरीब DJ होता, I don't know, whether people will want me to play music or no. I'm not very sure about that.
Well, I actually wanted to talk to you about this initiative, because we know where the money is going. Your initiative of helping DJs and other musicians, artists, whoever have been facing problems with getting groceries and a lot of other stuff. So yes, please do tell us, how can we people contribute to the same?
So basically, I put it up on my post also, and there is an NGO which is doing all this, and I think it is 700 rupees for a kit, and you can
Okay.
just put that money in that NGO's account, and you know, so if you want to feed 3 DJs for a month, it will cost you 2100 rupees, something like that. It works like that. Or if you
Okay.
you can share even food grains or oil or whatever, it's going to be helpful. Anything is helpful. That's
Love,
my, my main.
lovely.
And there is a very nice gentleman. His name is Prince Mullah, who's doing everything. Oh yeah, I must mention his name. He's doing everything. He's helping a lot, and he's the one who initiated this thing called Artist for Artist. So that's a
Oh.
great thing. All there are not only us DJs, but there are musicians. There are live musicians and all. जिनके घर में खाना पीना नहीं है. Even they need our help. They need whatever we can do for them. So yeah, if we all join hands together, we can do anything. We can do it.
Definitely, yes. So, is there a name to this initiative or a name to this fund?
It's called Artist for Artist.
Artists for Artists. Okay, Artists for Artists. So, everybody, I'm sure all of you have heard about this.
I'm doing it to 3-4 different things. I'm doing it to 3-4 different things because I need the groceries, but I need someone to take it also. Take it and deliver it also. So we ideally we call some. Now just yesterday I requested one of the club owners to send 8 such packets to Mahim. So then from Mahim being centrally located, people will come there and collect it and go. So there is one called Need for Help, something like that, which my friend Sushant is also doing. So I'm part of that also. Very good.
So yes, 700 is an amount which a lot of people can afford. But what to do with people like Clement D'Souza because they need 1.2 lakhs to survive for a month. So yes, उनका क्या करना है? उनका मदद कैसा करने का? 1.25 लाख रुपया.
He told me, that after give me your 1 gig ka money, I want to settle down for life.
Okay. Well, a lot of people have been asking if they can ask you questions. So yes, guys, please start throwing your questions. क्लेमेंट भाई ने तो पूछ लिया है कि उनको कैसा मिलेगा 1.2 लाख.
Mohit, Dimpy is saying, हमें भी help करो. I need a Louis Vuitton bag.
दो लागे दो. An artist for an artist, please. An artist for all girls at all points of time. Always there for you. Always there. बताओ क्या करेंगे अभी लुई विटॉन का बैग कैसे लेंगे?
वो मैं अभी फर्स्ट कॉपी
तो बताओ जरा. हमको तो भाव भी नहीं पता. Din 17, please tell us how much exactly does this Louis Vuitton bag cost? That to the new edition.
4,500 rupees in Lokhandwala.
Why? How do you know it? How do
I know? How do I must have bought and given it to many girls.
चलो अच्छा है मतलब बोल दिया खोल के बोल ही दिया. If Akhtar sells his shoes, 1,500 DJs don't need to work for 1 year. Clement Bhai is saying, if Akhtar sells his shoes, 1,500 DJs don't need to work for 1 year. How true is that? How true is that? How many shoes have you got? How many pairs of shoes, bhai?
I have quite a few pairs of shoes, and I value and I love my shoes a lot. And some of my shoes are a little expensive, so that's what he means. He's just rubbing it in now, and I miss them because my shoes. कहाँ है? जूते पहने ही नहीं है मैंने. I've not worn shoes in 2 months. So
that's it's only these live sessions for which we actually dress up. थोड़ा अच्छे से कपड़ा वपड़ा पहनते. वरना तो
down I'm wearing my boxers.
Just like last night.
Just like last. No, last night I was told specifically by my Instagram family. I was told by them, by my friends. We have a WhatsApp group also. I was told, no, you have to wear boxers. You have to wear boxers. You cannot wear anything nice. You have to wear red boxers. But my red boxers had gone for wash or something like that. I don't know what. They said you want to wear red boxers, and the theme was banana and boxers party. Now,
Kela.
या केला. सो आई सेड लाइक अभी बॉक्सर तो मैं लेके आया, केला आप लोग आपका खुद का जो भी है बंदोबस्त कर लेना.
uh, Din17 is asking, what's your IPL gig का charge? बताओ 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 भाई बता दो.
आई डोंट गो फॉर आईपीएल की.
Shiva goes. Shiva does. Shiva does
शिवा
IPL.
तो go,
Shiva does
yeah.
IPL. Adesh is asking, bhai, when is sound check 3.0?
Boss, you know, yesterday because of this fire set, I don't know, I've been blacklisted by Instagram because of you guys, which never happened. I was never in my life. मुझे मेरा कैरेक्टर पे वो लोग ने कीचड़ उछाला है कि बोला है कि तू क्यों ये सब किया क्या किया. एंड इन दैट 5 hours I must have played 2 songs which were recognized by them, so they gave me a warning and they said they'll, I don't know now what's going to happen, but I blame it all on you.
Are those 2 songs a part of your IGTV videos?
I think so. Should I delete them?
Obviously, भाई जाएगा भाई, अकाउंट जाएगा, पूरा पूरा अकाउंट ब्लॉक करते हैं लोग.
Sound check 3.0 guys, very soon. We'll do it very soon, and hopefully I'll try and get another phone also, so in case after 5 hours it gets my phone goes, I'll try and log in from some other phone where we can go for more 5 hours or whenever, however you guys want to do that.
Well, Interrupter official says, bhai, if there is any way I can help for in this initiative, I would be happy to assist.
Please just go on my post on Facebook or on Instagram, and definitely it'll be great. I respect you. Thank you very much. God bless you.
Clement again says, when you don't look handsome, you need to wear good shoes at least. Shut up, Clement. Shut up. Kuch bhi.
Very trust. And you were telling me that I am taking his case and he never takes my case. Have you seen how many comments has come?
I am sorry. I am sorry, bhai. I am sorry. I am sorry. Now I understand. Now I understand that this is not just one side roasting.
Let me also tell you, he's been most polite today. Most polite.
Today, for what reason, Clement, are you this polite?
Shit,
वैसे was
this is a good time to go live, huh? I think. I think 7 o'clock or something. We have like constant.
for the amount of engagement that you're getting.
No, 200 people constant we have. So it's nice. It's good.
Exactly. Yeah. Yeah. No, that's what. No, for the amount of engagement that we are getting during this hour, it's actually the best time. तो अभी रात को गाना बजाना बंद, शाम को.
For sure. ठीक है, तो I think 1 hour is up.
Oh yes, 1 hour is up. पता ही नहीं चला कहीं से खत्म हो गया. Well, finally, okay, I've asked him to send me 10,000 for my weekend needs, so I'm being polite.
Every day he asks me because he thinks I'm sleepy and I just send it to him. Every day. Can you send me 10K, 5K?
Okay, so well, finally, some words of motivation from your end to all these DJs and other people before we end this.
I just want to tell everybody thank you very much. Firstly, thank you 200 people just looking at a chat show and listening to me. That also I'm so hungover, I can't even tell you guys. But thank you for tuning in. Thank you for tuning in last night. It was super fun. I enjoyed it a lot. It was just hilarious. I loved those comments, and at one point of time, I could see everybody flirting with each other, and my dating app, and everybody like, hi, oh yeah, smileys are going out and all, so there was a lot of love I could see on my Instagram, and thank you for that. Thank you for always supporting me, and for everybody, I'd just like to tell you that it's a tough time now, a lot of emotions, छोटी छोटी बातों पे गुस्सा आ रहा है, छोटी छोटी बातों पे नाराज हो रहे हो, तो don't try and be थोड़ा control your emotions. In the end, you are at home only. There must be family at home. Even they are going through a lot. Try and help at home if you can. And stay positive. Inshallah, everything is going to be well with everyone. And we will come through this pandemic very, very soon. And we will get back to our normal life. But till then, till the time we don't get back to our normal, you're not here in any kind of competition. Relax. If you feel like sleeping the whole day, go to sleep. There's nothing you need to do. Nothing more important than to You want to watch Netflix, just do that. Do whatever you like to do, and take care of yourself. And keep smiling, be positive, call your friends all the time, laugh it out, play Ludo, play whatever the hell you want to play, and be happy. You too.
Thank you so much, bhai. Thank you so much. That was much needed. And before we log out,
I want to thank Sushant for putting this together. Sushant, thank you very much. And the most important thing, Music Bazaar, thank you and congratulations on this wonderful, wonderful record label that you guys have just come out with.
क्या है क्लेमेंट का मैसेज लास्ट वाला पढ़ना है नहीं पढ़ना है
नहीं, मत छोड़ो।
नहीं सुसाइड की बात करें इसके लिए okay so well usually before we end the gig we have like a selfie that we take with all the people there यहाँ पर अभी selfie तो possible नहीं है it's only a screenshot that we can do so yes भाई एक कुछ एक पोस्ट करो तो screenshot मारे okay thank you so much bhai thank you so much and bhai once again thank you so much for giving your time, for giving all these motivational talks as well. That was much needed.
It's entirely
Lovely interview. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot. And yes, please live आते रहना. Just make sure कि copyright strikes ना आए. और अपन तो है ही. आ ही रहे. अपन तो आपका music सुनने के लिए all the time.
allows me to come live, I'll come because after last night I don't know what's going to happen, but I'll try my best.
So all of us definitely want you to go live, but then just make sure that the music that you're playing doesn't get any copyright strikes, and that's it. बस फिर और क्या उसके बाद तो पार्टी शादी तो चालू ही रहेगा. Well, भाई, thank you so much once again and ईद मुबारक. यहाँ से अभी वर्चुअल हग ही कर सकते हैं और तो कुछ कर नहीं सकते अभी.
And very infectious and you're a very positive guy. I like the way you conducted this whole thing with a lot of smile, lot of cheer and lot of enthusiasm. So you brought a lot of life to this interview and God bless you, buddy. Take care of yourself.
Thank you so much. Thanks.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thanks a lot, everybody. And this is to all the Music Bazaar followers. I'm sure all you people would definitely be following DJ Akhtar. But still, in case a few of you, if you aren't following him, then please do go follow DJ Akhtar and be ready to get some really amazing music live sessions from him. And apart from that, his Insta stories as well, which will keep you entertained for life. Thank you so much once again. Eid Mubarak to all of you. Eid Mubarak. Akhtar bhai, फिर मिलेंगे बहुत जल्द. See you. Bye.
Guys, thank you.